So my name is Nick Weir. I'm currently working as a foundation dentist in Tottenham in central London. I found out about ACE through online and also through Victor, and I found them both to be really fantastic teachers, and I've learned a lot from both of them. So before today, I've had very limited experience with implants. I have had 1 or 2 study days that's briefly covered it, but it's not something that I'm particularly experienced with. So from today, I feel like this has given me a fantastic platform to go out there and research further into the field of implants, and it's definitely stimulated some great learning points from today. I think the most interesting thing I learned from the course was actually the planning side of implant. So I never realised just the attention to detail that's required, even what seems quite a simple case. I think the thing that today's taught me is to just break it down into small steps, to be very methodical, and I think that's what's going to give you the best treatment outcomes. Looking for an implant course, I think this is a fantastic choice. I'd say that would range from someone just starting out like myself. People coming to the end of their foundation year, most people will look to start restoring implants. It will also give you, an overview of where to go in terms of placing implants, and they've given me options for where to go to learn implants further. And then also there's been quite a few experienced clinicians here today as well, and they've gone into the more complex cases. However, at no point have I felt out of my depth. We've discussed complex cases, but I've still felt like I've been included in the conversation, and they've taken me right up to sinus lifting and stuff that I'd not learned before. But I feel quite confident now to go out there and research further.